Welcome to this YouTube video. Today we're gonna be explaining what is SEO, indexation and in web analysis, SEM, digital display and rich media, keywords and also Google Ads. So if you wanted to know what are these things and how to use them, stay in this video and don't forget to subscribe.
First one, and the principle, is to introduce and explain the different sectors about digital marketing and the management on the social media and the internet. Then we have our specific objectives. The first one is to analyze the different tools and techniques to catch the attention of the customer on the web. The second one is to define the different terms about SEO and SEM, such as their subsectors. The third one is to discover the strategies to catch the attention of the customer in a digital way. The fourth one is to make use of digital tools in benefit to promote our product. This could be a landing page, a web page, social media, a campaign on the web, etc. And the last one is, with information of this video and the document, support the people that could take this as a survey and then they could have a knowledge about digital marketing and the segmentation on the web.
SEO is short for Search Engine Optimization. The meaning of SEO positioning refers to the process or techniques that are applied to a website in terms of design, architecture, content, and programming to make these websites appear in the best positioning within search engines. SEO can be divided into two groups, on-site and off-site. Once we know what SEO is, we must differentiate whether or not we follow the search engine's recommendations, black hat SEO or white hat SEO. The black hat SEO, it may provide benefits in the short term, but it's generally a risky strategy without continuity in the long term, and that does not add value. And white hat SEO includes the technique that seeks to make a page more relevant to search engines by adding value to its users.
Let's talk about SEM. But first, thank you for watching this video and remember subscribe. Okay, you already know what is SEO. And now you are going to know what is SEM. Okay, what's the meaning of SEM? Okay, SEM means Search Engine Marketing. And this tells us that SEM means placing paid ads to appear in search, and you are at the beginning of this role assessment. Okay, the SEM is the use of tools and strategies that help us to optimize the visibility and increase the accessibility of the sites and web page and thanks to search engines. Okay, thank you for paying attention of
Indexing is the way in which the search engine both applies some resource information to the database of the search system. The indexation check of the page is important to show the webmaster how robots search the website, whether there are any errors as well. Monitoring of the number of pages is continuously carried out by the search engine. The increase in the number of pages in the search system allows the website to range from wider requests to boost its search results. For each search service, website indexation is search engines is done separately. It is, however, important to evaluate it on an individual basis. The Search Console service is the key method for working with Google indexing. You can handle pages scanning in such a way. For example, it's possible to submit the page for scanning after the error recovery phase. The GUI to Search Console looks like
content you have, you want search engines. If you can gain an understanding of what context exists in search results, so as both crawl the web, you can gain an understanding of undervaluable content that wastes crowd spending. A detailed review reveals material that can receive a little further down the results of certain impressions that may warrant additional consideration to gain maximum referral benefit from them. We have long looked at indexing with a site. Search operator appears page after page evaluating what was shown as indexed content by Google and Bing. Over time, these agents have provided us with the opportunity to develop more specifically into indexation results. Google and Bing are eventually helping us out, so let's help direct them to the material you can show on the web, providing improved search results and an improved first experience for all visitors to the site.
Google Ads shows what is special in your business and helps you get to more clients. With Google Ads, you can pay according to your budget to promote your business. The ads will show at the beginning of every Google research that has to do with your business, according to the plan you chose. There are plenty of plans, including ones with 100 pesos to ones with 1,000 pesos.
Hi, today I'm going to talk about display advertising and rich media. First, display advertising is an online advertising format in which ads are displayed as banners on landing pages. It can also include audio, video, or other interactive format. In its most basic form, these banners are a combination of images and text. And I did an example for explaining it better by myself, and I hope you like it. Then, rich media. This is a digital advertising to describe ads with advanced features. It allows agencies to create complex ads. And I also have an example for this. And I hope you like it. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Keywords. A keyword is something with a similar use as a hashtag, and its principal purpose is to give a tag to a publication or online content. When a browser is searching for something and in the searching term there is a specific word, that word is used for creating filters in order to get results that have in their content that word. If your online content doesn't have any keyword, it will be very difficult for a browser to find your page, your information, or whatever you have online. To give a very clear example, if you go to YouTube and see videos about animals, the YouTube recommendations will also be about animals, and if you see the details of a video, you will see that there are hashtags with topics about that video. And if you click on a recommendation and see the details of that new video, you will notice that there will be similar hashtags. Keywords work like that. As hashtags give a tag to the videos and the algorithms can relate it with your content, keywords give a tag to your webpage and adverts related to what a person is searching for on the internet.
So thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and give it up a thumbs up if you like it. We also invite you to see our other classmates videos. They have a really interesting topics, all of them. So if you like this kind of topic, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and see the other videos that we have. See you next time. Bye.